It's either you take an upward spiral or a downward spiral. We all have the same options. We all have the same opportunities, which is 24 hours. You have to perfectly align yourself with the outcomes that you desire in order to feel good, in order to have confidence, in order to get rid of that anxiety, in order to alleviate stress. You have to make sure that you perfectly align yourself. Have you done at least 5 push-ups? No, I don't have time. I'm busy jerking off. I'm busy watching porn and seeking enjoyment, chasing fun, chasing pleasure. That's what I'm busy with, bro. I'm busy. I don't have time to work on myself, improve myself, but I want 6-pack abs. That's what misalignment is. Do you know how good you'll feel about yourself if you stood up and clean up your room? You have no idea what that simple activity will do for your mental health, for your confidence, how you will feel after completing the task. As simple as cleaning your room, as simple as doing 1 push-up. You guys have no idea of how to become successful. This is how you take advantage of the compound interest. You start small, it builds up your confidence. You start believing more in yourself. You start rooting for yourself. You start clapping for yourself. You start validating yourself with your actions without anyone ever noticing you or getting the recognition. You have to start with yourself. You have to give yourself the validation that you want. In order to be a big success, you have to start staking those small daily wins. You have to make sure that day in, day out, you are winning. And the opposite of winning is not failure. Most people think when they are failing, they are losers. No, being a loser, it means you neglect activities. You don't even try. That's what loserdom is. You don't even try. You just wishy-washy over things that you're not willing to put out work for. You're just wishy-washy over things that you don't even perfectly align yourself with the outcomes that you desire, that you want. So in order to have the perfect life, the perfect route to success, is making sure that you master your day by not neglecting the small daily wins that you have to partake in. Something as simple as cleaning your room will do a lot of good for your mental health, for your confidence, because now you start trusting in yourself. You start believing in the things that you say. You start following through in each and everything that you do, each and every activity that you partake. It's molding you. This is why we are called human beings, not human doings, okay? Because life is about becoming and being. It's not about acquiring stuff and having a lot of materialistic. It's not about that. It's about becoming. That's what it is. Each and everything that you do on a clit, you are becoming it. If you make it normal for you to accept average, accept mediocrity, you are molding yourself into that person, okay? So don't take failing as a part of being a loser. That's part of winning. Failing is part of winning because it shows that you've tried. You've put yourself in the game. Sleeves up, right? You've tried something. That's why you failed. And don't let your ego stop you. That's another thing. Don't let your ego get in the way. Be okay with looking like a fool. That's what it is. That's how you will ever achieve mastery. By looking like a fool, by making sure you stick through it, by making sure you don't give up when it gets tough. So guys, that's what it is. You have to stack those small daily wins. That's how you build up your confidence. That's how you get rid of anxiety. Anxiety is just a notification from God telling you that, hey, you're weak. You need to do something about this. You need to change. If you did push-ups all day long, you won't feel anxiety anymore. If you feel depression and you worked all day long, not on a job, on yourself, on improving yourself, your skills, your craft, getting a skill, discovering your purpose, instead of just checking off and mastering watching porn, instead of those things, making sure that, you seek purpose, not pleasure. If you worked all day long on yourself, you will get rid of anxiety, depression easily, stress, if you perfectly align yourself with the outcomes that you want. success is guaranteed. That's all it takes. You have to make sure that right now the time it's, I don't know what time it is, but it's somewhere around 12, right? It's midnight right now, and I'm shooting a video because I don't want to sleep more than I want to succeed. Okay, some people need to sleep. I need to succeed, and this is what it is. You have to need it in order to achieve it. This is how you become a big success, by winning day in, day out, even when no one is looking, even when no one is clapping for you. But deep within, you are building that inner confidence within yourself. You're showing yourself to yourself. You're proving yourself to yourself that you are actually a winner. In order to become a successful person, you have to become a success. That's what it is. I hope that doesn't go over your head. Let's go!